up for a minute. Apologies. Well, we're basically set up here. Say hi.
Hi.
There's. Welcome to our hive. There it is, fully set up. Windows open.
Grab your tea,
As
but
we
not the
were
milk.
ready for nighttime. A little portable shower house bathroom. There's the dog over there just hanging out. Baby girl's on her hammock. That's where she stays. Very nice. I just hung some little rope lights up here. Just something for after a while. We'll take a walk around here. Oop.
Oh, I can't believe I forgot our lanterns.
I got a lantern. I have a lantern. Alright, we're going to take a little walk. There's another picnic table out here. We got a fire pit here. Another fire pit over there. Well, this probably doesn't show up good on the camera, but that's a really steep hill down in there. Well, there's one car, probably the only one we'll see. You can see how big this site is. I'll get down here and turn around. That's the highway coming in. And back there you can see that's the highway going out. These sites have trash cans and recycle bins. And now you can see this is our whole site. Everything you see right now. Of course, there is no running water. There are just outhouses. There's no water, no electric, no nothing. But this site is $8 a night. 2 nights, I think it was $22 with the online registration fee and all that good stuff. But there's no way you're going to find anything like this in a regular campground that's set up for the mobile motor homes, I call them, or mobile homes. They're just a trailer park without the underpinning. This to me is camping. Alright, I'll have more later. I don't know if you call it a creek or a little river, but it looks like it's rain dependent on whether there's much water in it. But it's a pretty nice sized little creek down through here.
Really beautiful with the water.
I'll bet when there's water running through there, it does look pretty. That's a good 20, 25, maybe 30 feet across. It's pretty good for around here. Me neither. Not around here. Pretty cool. Oh, there's a little bit of water. Not much, but there is some water. It's washed out underneath those trees right there. Apparently it's been flowing for a while. cut it up to get it off the road.